Hi there, in this beginner's guitar lesson we're going to have a look at the A minor 7th chord. Now minor 7th chords are commonly used in jazz, blues, funk type songs. These chords, these 7th chords, they add a little bit of softness or a bit of tension to your standard minor chord. So let's have a look at the A minor 7. So for the A minor 7th, it couldn't be easier. So let's put on first of all an A minor chord. And if you're not sure about that, then check the link below for a lesson on that chord. So here's the A minor. Now to make an A minor 7th, we can do two things. The first thing that we can do is we can add the little finger here onto the top E string at the 3rd fret. And voila, there you have it. But with all new chords, play each string individually to make sure they ring out. So do something like this, either with your thumb or with a plectrum, and make sure they ring out nicely. Before we check out the easy way, let's have a look at a really short, simple chord progression that we can use with this chord. So we're going to play A minor 7, D, G, and then E minor. Play along with me or just watch and then rewind and play again. I'll play this progression 2 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a nice sounding chord. Now, as for the easy version of this chord, put the A minor chord on again, like that, and all you're going to do is you're going to take off the 3rd finger, like so. And again, with your thumb or with a plectrum, just play each string individually, make sure they're ringing out. So one of the problems that you might have with this particular shape, even though it's easier, is that this finger here, the 2nd finger, you really need to make sure that it's arched so that it's not touching the string. Okay, because sometimes if you haven't got it arched enough, then what happens is you'll end up with something like this. You hear what I'm saying? You know, that kind of muted, buzzing sound. And the same also applies with the 1st finger as well. So these 2 fingers, they really need to be arched up. With both versions of the chords, you're only going to be playing the top 5 strings. Okay, so just the A string, the D string, the G string, the B string, and the top E string. So let's have a listen to the differences in the sound between the first version and the second version that I showed you. Have a listen to this. This is the first one. And here's the second version. And it's the first version that I think gives more tension to the minor chord because of this, that there. Whereas with the second version, I think it softens the minor chord. But both really beautiful sounding chords. If you found this video helpful, then please consider hitting the like button and clicking on the notification bell for more beginner guitar lessons just like this. Thanks for watching. Happy strumming.